Yes, so Madam Pekle Africa, you see this plot now for Woji Day, and it dey directly in front of Sun City Estate. You dey see this building, now Sun City Estate be this way you dey see, and then you go see again also in front of Paradise Estate. You dey see this particular estate, now Paradise Estate be this way you dey see. So see the neighboring houses wey dey here, very beautiful, security, everything dey very intact. This thing dey sweet me on Madam Pekle Africa. Now they give you this kind of good news. So, and a plot is just 30 million naira. If you want more than one plot, just call me on 0903429651. Make we quickly and sharply run this one. Before it go finish. As you can see, you know, too plenty. You know the one way sweet inside this thing pass be say nah. It gets you over. They fenced and in front of Third Road. Chineke me. This one and then they call buy and build. You just come pay money and you collect your plot. It's too sweet. So quickly call Madam Pekle Africa on 09034296519. See am now. The place is already fenced. Quickly and sharply call me, call me sharp. Time no day at all. Madam Pekle Africa, they wait for you. See my face. Now the face of the person where they say be this. So make you quickly call me 09034296519. They wait for you.